Hello, friends. Welcome to this channel podcast, Center of Excellence Pharma 4. In today's episode, I am going to discuss about innovating pharma IT, the cloud effect. As you know, cloud is a very useful tool and technology which is really helping, and that how it will innovate the pharma information technology. Let's discuss. Just to give you a brief introduction about our concepts and ideas and services, what we do, we have developed a concept of Center of Excellence Pharma 4, and this was established by Dr. Jay Joshi about 5 years back. And this represents a cutting edge initiative designed to revolutionize the pharmaceutical industry by embracing the principles of Industry 4. We are focusing mainly on three areas, that is emerging technologies, digital transformation, and Pharma 4. We have more information for you on our website respa.com. We have recently launched three books about Center of Excellence Pharma 4 concept. The first one is about Pharma 4, the digital transformation blueprint. The second one is focused on strategies for mid-size manufacturers. And third one is the ROI for Pharma 4. We also have a YouTube channel where our 300 videos are there, starting from business strategies, various emerging technologies like cloud, artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT, blockchain, robotics, chatbot, and going up to the validations, KPIs, and everything. We have a Udemy channel where we have course Smart Manufacturing in Pharma, which has got about 20 modules and covering again various technologies and how it is really helping the pharma manufacturing to improve operational efficiency, excellence, and business excellence. What you are listening is a podcast channel which we have launched in December 24. Has got about 35, 36 episodes. This is the 36th episode. So please do subscribe, share your thoughts with us. Please feel free to do the suggestions. We are looking forward for your inputs. Do share with your network. So let's get it into the details now. In today's episode, what is my agenda is a brief introduction about the cloud, key benefits about the cloud adoption, how it is helping accelerated drug developments, enhance collaborations among the various operating functionalities, departments, and to geographies also. Informative technologies, how it will capture the real-time data and will be shared with all the stakeholders. Artificial intelligence and machine learning integration, market growth and adoption, and the statistics and what is the future outlook. So in the introduction, this information technology landscape as far as the pharma industry is concerned is revolutioning very fast actually. It is driving the innovation into the whole pharma organization. As we discussed more from digital supply chain point of view, it is integrating demand planning, supply planning, sales and operation planning, and sharing all those relevant data in a real-time basis and upgrading into the cloud. And this enables digital transformation. As you know, the concept about the digital transformation, we are moving from analog systems to digital systems, which leads us to achieve the Pharma 4 requirements. So that is what is the thought process where we are focusing. And almost every organization to face a global competition and to support to the regulatory requirements are moving in the same direction. So that is what is our objective. Now, how this will help in the drug development is basically it helps in capturing the data, storing the data. Maybe you may have a different departments at a different locations and all, and that all the data gets compiled. And when you are really looking for developing a product or new drugs and all that, lot of information needs to be compiled, needs to be analyzed, needs to be having shared all that with the relevant different teams, and that is how that collaboration helps in building up a teamwork. Earlier, it was not really possible. Cloud is helping us to build up that innovative information capture, sharing with a good artificial intelligence algorithm, doing that analysis with a machine learning around things, and gets distributed all the data and helps you to improve the operational efficiencies about the various teams. And then that streamlines the operation and reduces the cost. So this is what is the objective. How it is helping in accelerating drug development is you can have advanced algorithms to be developed based on to your uh, laboratory experiment, your molecular structure, your raw material uh, analysis, the strengths and complementing parameters and all that. And that data analysis will help in building up a vast data sets for the molecular structures, know which you are really looking for drug development and all that. And that will also get integrated with maybe some of the clinical trials which you are doing it. And then that will identify or maybe with some innovations will also tell you how you can design the new experiments and all that. And that will reduce the time and efforts which are really going on for the new experiments and all. And that is where the computational power is increasing actually, where we in the earlier cases where we were working on the silos based system, we had analog based systems and all that. This is what is the advantage we are having it when we are doing the cloud technology, cloud adoptions and all that. And this speeds up the identification of the new treatments and reduces the development time from maybe years to months, months to maybe weeks or something like that. Enhanced collaboration is really helpful because as we earlier discussed it out that sharing those findings about the different experiments which are done and maybe the ideas which are getting generated, this can be shared across all your global teams. May not be just one location, maybe across the various geographies, or maybe the geographies are going beyond the global level also. And that is really helping to do that collaboration, and that enhances the uh, possible benefits which are coming up, and that improves the transparency, coordination among the research, doctors, regulators, and all that actually, which enhances the uh, time uh, for the required for the you know processing and all that. And scalability and flexibility. Virtually unlimited storage is available from the cloud for processing and storing the data, and these resources can be scaled up or scaled down basically based on to your project needs. This optimizes the finally the cost and time, which finally shows the more efficiency. Real-time data insights, the cloud-based analytical tools are available. Besides that, you can also build up your own requirements from algorithms and machine learning and all that. And that will quickly analyze, gather the data from the large data sets and all that, and then facilitate the processing and analysis of this data. Real-time monitoring is available because constantly all the data is getting compiled at a cloud level. So clinical trials, drug effectiveness, and including your digital supply chain management is real-time data about your product, batch, movements, your quality results if available. And then that really helps in processing the things faster. The next is actually along with the cloud, as I mentioned earlier, artificial intelligence and machine learning concepts, algorithms will really help in moving faster. Cloud platform supports these various things and pharmaceutical workflows data is captured. And when you are really looking for innovating the drug development, clinical trials and all, it gets integrated from, as I mentioned earlier, from the all geographics and all global level teams. And this helps in quick database driven decision making and all that. This also supports to the regulatory compliance and the security. Cloud provides ensuring the robust security measures, data encryption. So your cyber security requirements or maybe 21 CFR Part 11 requirements are also getting supported. And this foolproof access control systems are there and compliances with the regulatory requirements and standards have been taken care of. As per the market studies and surveys, it's expected that a cloud computing market is moving very fast. It's expected to reach about maybe 62 billion by 2033, and it's growing at around 14-15% per annum actually. In North India, sorry, North America is leading in adoption, and advanced infrastructure is built up over there. The presence of the major cloud service providers are there. So this is what is the thing which is happening. Is so all companies are strongly suggested, recommended to move to adoption of the cloud, which will help them in improving. And the future outlook is very bright actually. Accelerated research studies are happening it, and cloud technology enables faster data processing and analysis, improves collaborations among the researchers, streamlines the operations about the various laboratory trials, experiments, and managing those pharmaceutical processes, and that reduces the operational cost. Faster market delivery is there, and that will also speeds up the development of the new life-saving treatments which are coming up. It's not just a drug discovery, but drug development is also there. New treatments are also catching up and all that. And then that will give a quicker access to the new um, technologies available to the patients for their uh, betterment. So we, as I mentioned, starting of the thing also, we also have all these details under various topics discussed on YouTube, on podcast, on Udemy platform, at our websites and all that. Please have a look. I'm quite sure this will help you in building up your knowledge base, and you'll be more comfortable to adopt to these technologies. My best wishes to you. Feel free to write to us, contact us if you have any suggestions. Thank you. Bye.